Hello, my name is Mary Cicente Bonilla. I'm one of the academic advisors here at Cornish, and this is your certified tutorial for how to edit your academic plan, or just look at it if that's all you need to do. So let's jump right into it, shall we? Here we are. We're in the Compass test site. This is the new Compass. This is what you'll be seeing, except for this won't be here. To start, go to Academics, and you'll land here on your new homepage. Don't be scared. A lot of new buttons, I know. For this section, viewing your academic plan, this is what's important. You just scroll down, advising. This is the key. Right now, I'm Henny Cornish, the one and only. That's me, yes. And Henny I am a first year student in game arts. Let's check out my plan. You can do this yourself too. Feel free to follow along. So this is what you'll see. At the top, you can see your progress, just in a percentage or just how many requirements you have left. And as you can see, you've got a bunch of classes listed around in each term and every term that you'll be here. You may not be graduating in spring 2029, but that's when Henny is. So this is where we start. When you register, these are the classes, the ones for 25, 26 fall. These are the ones that are going to pop up for you to add. And if you watch the register for classes video, you'll see what I mean. You can check that out. So if you want to adjust what you register for this semester, you need to start here. This is where you can move things around. So if you hit the move requirement button, you can move it to another term. And once you do, you'll see a little notification right next to it. It says requires advisor approval. That could be me. That could be Therese or Dayan. Those are our main advisors. We also have Yedme if you're an international or VA student. And so the process here, let's say this fall, I don't want to take Red Analysis 1. I would rather wait till spring, take the online version, and do Red Analysis 2 of the summer. So pretty complicated switch. We're going to go to Options, Manage My Year Terms. I'm going to add the summer, 24-25 summer. Add your term. We're going to be done. Here's the summer. Beautiful. Good stuff. So why don't we move Red Analysis 1 over, and we'll do that. Nice. Update. Look at that. Boom, pow. Requires advisor approval. Let's say we're not done editing yet. You decide, I'm going to take an open elective instead. I'm going to bump up this one for next fall. I'm going to move it. You can select it. You can select any number of these. If you're like, I'll also move my writing intensive, if you so desire, you can do that. Move multiple things. We'll start just one class. Say you want to move this one open elective, select time period, 25-26 fall. You can also move it to another term. If you really want to like plan ahead, you're like, I'm going to take these gen eds at these times, these electives here, you can. So we'll select the term, hit update, boom, pow, got an open elective there. So if you've got your eyes set on like, you've got your in-major requirements, and then you've decided, I've got a really cool class I want to take, this like neat animation class, doesn't count for anything other than open elective, I'm going to move one over so I can take it. This is how you do that. The last step when it comes to editing your plan is advisor approval, as we've been seeing all over this page. Now, we don't get a notification just from you moving it. We'd get spammed with them. So the process goes, you move your stuff around. Once your things are set and you're like, I like this plan. Let me see if this works. Go back up to options. You hit manage my approval requests. And then here are all the changes you made. And if you're like, actually, I changed my mind about, moving this to the summer or anything, you can get rid of it right here. Or if you want to like just sweep everything back to how it was, you can go to this spot, cancel your changes. Nothing's been changed. If you want to request just a couple things, you can request them individually, or you can just request approval for all. Once you do that, it's officially requested, pending advisor approval. That's a good sign. Now, that'll ping us, all the advisors on our end. And what we will do is we'll look at that, see how it looks, give a green light if it looks good. If it doesn't, we'll say nope, and then we'll probably email you and say, here's why I don't think this is a good idea. We could also approve individual ones. So if there's just one change that you made that might not work, but everything else looks fine, we can do that. It can be a pretty simple process. And all of us are fully prepared to be responding to you anytime when it comes to stuff. So all you need to do is kind of get on here, get excited, think about what you want to take. You can even make selections for what courses you want to take. So let's say in spring 2027, you really want to take taxidermy. You're like, this class, it's my time. I want to take this class so bad. I've been trying every semester. Hit make selection. Got all of our science classes that we offer. And you can hit taxidermy, select requirement. Boom, pow. Taxidermy is selected. Also requires advisor approval, but that's the kind of thing where, it helps us see how many people want to take a class, and it's more likely to run when we get that information. We're like, oh, 50 people want to take taxidermy. Let's see if we can offer a bunch of sections so a ton of people can take it. That kind of stuff. So that's my little brief 101 on how to edit your plan. Yeah, good luck. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help you out. And I hope you enjoy this new tool at your disposal.